Hi Mika, how you doing today? I'm good. What you doing today? Well, I just possibly going to get a new computer mouse today. Mika. Because my new gaming mouse just broke, so I need something. Something that has 2 words. Catnip? No, Mika, you can't. There's not catnip. No, I want catnip. I don't care about your stupid gaming mouse, Mika. No, I want catnip, Mika. You better eat your potatoes. No, Mika, you better eat your potatoes. Because if you don't eat your potatoes, you're gonna turn really bad. It was a bad cat sometimes. Mika! What? No! I want my catnip! Mika, I know that you want catnip. I know, just stop asking. We won't get any later. Give me catnip! No. No, Mika. Oh, sorry, Mika. No, Mika. Don't. Okay? Don't you meow at me. I meow at you. Why are you meowing at me, huh? Huh? Mika, come on. Why are you meowing at me? Fine. You can get your catnip. Just stop meowing. Stop crying. Okay? I know you want catnip, okay? Hi, baby. Mika, where you going? Where you going, Mika, huh? Yo. Mika, oh, what you biting me for? Mika, stop hurting me. Ow! That hurts. Stop. Oh, Mika! Mika, you better stop. Alright. Thanks, guys. I don't know. Thanks, guys, for the video. Thanks, guys, for liking the video. And I'll see you guys soon. If you guys want one of these epic posters, just comment down below and say, I want poster. I want the poster. Okay, bye, guys. Peace.